Hello, in this video, we will learn how to easily make your profile private. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to receive updates. First, open the Facebook application. Then click here. Click on the gear icon. As you can see, there are privacy settings. Now choose who can see what you share. Click on Continue. Here, you can choose the information you want to hide. For example, I will make my phone number and email private. Click here. And click on Private. After finishing, click on Next. From here, you can choose who can see your posts. Public. Friends. Friends accept. Only me. I will choose Only Me, and do the same for stories. If you want to limit your previous posts, click here on the Limit option. Then click on Next. Now on this page, you can block anyone to prevent them from contacting you, visiting your profile, or seeing your comments in groups. Please enter the name of the person you want to block, and click on Block. Please press the Block button again. And click on Next. I hope this video has helped you. Please support our channel by liking and subscribing to receive updates on our new videos. Thank you, see you later.